At Donkey, we know that versatility and speed mean efficiency. The Jack by Donkey Forklifts delivers just that. With advanced features designed for both power and precision. Our remote valve operation means operators stay safely curbside, away from traffic, while minimizing the risk of slips and falls by controlling the unit directly from the ground. Our anti-stall hydrostatic system ensures smooth operation across any terrain. Whether you're navigating rough or unpredictable surfaces, the Jack provides consistent power without stalling, keeping your operations moving efficiently. For maximum loading efficiency, the Jack offers the industry's only fixed mast design, providing true centralized weight distribution. With a standard 56-inch reach, the Jack not only provides the longest reach in the industry, but reduces unnecessary movements and maximizes lift capacities. At Donkey, safety is non-negotiable. Our safety interlock features require both the seatbelt and gate system to be engaged before operation, thereby protecting operators by promoting safe practices with every lift. Put it all together, and the Jack by Donkey Forklifts becomes your most reliable partner, the lightest, fastest, and most versatile solution in the industry. Donkey Forklifts, American made.